Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video we're reviewing a wig from Vivacé. Vivacé gifted me with this wig. The wig style that they sent me is their Essential Unit 10 in the color Mr. Chocolate. This is a lace front wig with a hand-tied lace. This wig is definitely giving me Beyonce vibes, so let's find out about it, okay? They sent in a wig for me to review, so without further ado, let's check out this wig. And this is what they sent me. This is the tag for the wig. It's like a little booklet. Open this baby up. So here's the top part. Shows you how to care for the hair. And this is the bottom part, advertising the style. And let's flip to the back. Shows you all of the colors that this style is available in. All right, let's get started. As you can see, baby girl is long, okay? The first topic is initial shedding, so I'm going to do my usual comb through. Okay, so this wig has very light shedding. About 2 hair strands did fall from this wig when I was doing my comb through. Not bad. Now let's go ahead and jump to tangles. I will say, as I was combing my fingers through this hair, there was a little bit of resistance, but I kind of expect that as it is synthetic and there are curls on this wig. So overall, it's pretty smooth. You'll just get a little bit of tangles in between, combing, which again is expected. So the next topic is smell. Now this wig does have a smell. It smells like new hair. The kind of synthetic fiber that this is, that's what I smell like. It smells like synthetic hair. So I'm fine with that. If you are someone who is a little bit sensitive or if you have allergies, I completely understand. I do have allergies, but I can tolerate this. So I'm not mad and I'm not stressing, not at all. Volume, as you can see, this wig is curly, it moves, it has nice volume, the curls are juicy, it's giving Beyonce vibes. Hopefully when I put this baby on, it will be also giving Beyonce vibes, okay? Keep your fingers crossed. Density, I would say this is about 130 density. It might look like it might be more because it is curls, but I would say with the volume, the hair has nice volume and the density is pretty good. This should be a full wig. As far as the hair ends look good. The hair ends are not dry. The coils are together. So each hair strand, the hair ends are together. So the hair ends look good. As far as hair pattern, I would say this is like a water wave. It could be borderline deep wave, but we can go with water wave for sure. The hair texture feels fine. It feels pretty soft. You can definitely tell that this is synthetic hair for sure. The next topic is true to length. It definitely goes without being said, baby girl is long. So hanging freely, this wig is about 30 inches long. Can't get it all in the frame because baby girl is long and I don't have that much space in this room, so may have to take my word for it. I can pick it up and show you guys how long she is, but we know she is long. And the measurement is starting from the lace closure where that part ends. It's about 30 inches long, right? So let's talk about the wig structure. This is the front of the wig. This is the lace part. If the camera would clear up. And this is what the hairline is looking like. This is the left side. Your ears are gonna go over here. Turn it. The center. And this is the right side. And your ears are gonna go here. Pretty straightforward. And here's that part again. We can measure the part. So the part appears to be 3.5 inches deep. We can double check that from the inside as well. Let's turn the wig inside out. Okay, again, that parting space is about 3.5 inches deep, and going across you don't have much, less than 1/2 inch, maybe 1/4 inch. But aside from that, this is the inner structure of the wig again. This is the front of the wig cap, and as you can see, you have a clip on the right side. Camera's getting blurry. As well as the left side in the front of the wig, and you can see the band for support. Let's turn to the back. The back is breathable, as you can see. So the front of the wig was a net and the back the cap is constructed by tracks going across it, so it doesn't have much net, it doesn't have much lace. So as you can see in the very back, there's a wig clip with 2 drawstrings and many belt loops to adjust the cap size. Get you a close-up on that. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this wig. This is a full wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and I am very surprised to say that it is actually big head friendly. It feels very comfortable on my head. I can barely tell that this wig is on. Green flag. We will for sure double check when I cut the lace. But for now, she feels good. She feels very comfortable. Now we'll say, as I mentioned before, you know, I have allergies. My body doesn't like nothing. It likes some things, but it feels like it doesn't like anything. So the hair feels a little bit scratchy on my neck. So I'm not sure about my toleration for this kind of synthetic fiber, but we will give it a shot, okay? I will definitely update you guys if I absolutely hate it. The other thing that I will say is I am not a middle part girl. If you know me, if you know me, if you know me, you know that I am a deep side part girl. I love my deep side part. Like, that is my go-to style. And this middle part is growing on me. I don't know how, but it is. Do I feel like Beyonce? Maybe Beyonce's cousin, okay? We could probably do sister. Sister might be pushing it, but definitely a cousin, okay? Cousin, for sure. But I dig it. I like this wig. She's cute. She's very cute. And I like the color on me, you know? I've been afraid of color literally my entire life. And then I don't know, I had like an epiphany last year and all of a sudden I like color, so it's crazy. But check me out. Check me out. I'm digging it. So just for the heck of it, I'm going to move this wig to the side just to see how it looks like a deep side part. Okay, it's okay as a deep side part, but it's not giving. The center was giving, so let's go ahead and slide that back, okay? We are not doing no side parts. She is a center wig for sure, okay? So overall, I am rating this wig a 8 out of 10, losing 1 point because she does shed. Shedding is shedding. We have a shedder. She's light, but she sheds. But again, it's a synthetic curly wig, so we already expected this, okay? And then losing another point because of the texture. I am not feeling the texture on my skin right now. I was okay with the texture when I felt it to the touch, but on my skin, on my neck, I am not okay. I'm not okay. So we're going to have to figure that out. Okay, maybe I have to wear a turtleneck with this wig. I don't know. We will cross that bridge when it's time to go outside, okay? But other than that, she's real cute. Like, I don't know what it is between my makeup and this hair, like the color. Vivacé, you did your thing with this wig. This is a very cute synthetic wig, no doubt. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!